Welcome to one of the most magical places I've ever stayed, Anantara Qasr Al Sarab, a luxury desert resort tucked deep into the Liva Desert. If you've ever wanted to escape the noise and fully disconnect, this is where you go. It's about 2.5-hour drive from Abu Dhabi, long enough to feel like an adventure, but close enough for a weekend getaway. For this trip, I packed my usual road trip must-haves: water, coffee and chewing gum, essentials only. As you leave the city behind, the landscape changes fast. Suddenly, it's all sand, silence and that golden light. It really does feel like the edge of the world. And then Anantara Qasr Al Sarab appears, like a mirage. This fortress-style resort blends right into the dunes and yet somehow feels like a palace. Hi guys, this is Lux Ventures. Welcome back to my channel. We are in a hotel resort called Anantara Qasr Al Sarab, and we are 2 hours south from Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates. And the sand desert behind me and all around the area is the world's biggest uninterrupted desert, covering 19,000 square meters. And a very interesting fun fact, even though the dunes are all looking similar anyhow, those here might be even more familiar to you. And the reason why: the movie Dune was filmed here and the actors were staying in this particular hotel. So let's dive in. Let's talk about the rooms. Mine had beautiful Arabian interiors, a giant bathtub and a balcony overlooking miles of untouched dunes. It's peaceful in a way that's hard to describe. Also, the restroom signs, slightly confusing. I may have had a little oops moment walking into the wrong one. So, after some work, closing the laptop and heading over to... let's see what is famous at this time. Hi, this is Jessica, 462 Villa. Can you send me a buggy to the main pool, please? Great. Super, thank you. Bye. I just thought you left without me. Ah, wonderful, exactly.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good. And you?
Yes, very well.
Where do you want to go?
Just to the main pool.
Oh, right. And how was the breakfast?
Yeah, that breakfast was extremely good.
Yeah.
Whew. Very hot already, huh?
So now that is the time for the pool, yeah?
Amazing.
That's a good time.
So during noon, when it's so hot, which pool is more crowded? The main pool or the infinity pool?
So now all the pools are big, so it normally that will get crowded.
So not so crowded,
Yeah,
because it's big pools?
yeah, it's big. The upper part that will up, but not be crowded with the...
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Here we are.
Let's see what we can find here. Main pool, that's lunch area. Hello. Hello. A bar, a swim-up bar. Look at this. Very nice. Actually not that hot. Oh, this, by the way, this is dates up in the tree. And I am walking to the cabanas, seeing if we can get a spot there. The main pool sits in a bowl of dunes. Total postcard moment. Wow, summertime in UAE. We have 39 degrees Celsius, and people who know me well know that I love it. because I'm always freezing. And it's not even the hottest month of the year. In July, August dates, it can reach up to around 52 degrees Celsius, which is in Fahrenheit around 125.6, which is pretty hot, I must admit. But the advantage is that now in summer it's pretty empty here. Not a lot of people are around. I can see people in the pool because it's cold and chilly there. But outside you can see I almost have the place for myself. So what can I do during that beautiful Saturday? I can indulge in a very nice cold drink maybe. Maybe a cold coconut juice or a mocktail, or my absolute favorite, which is coconut latte. Though it will be a little bit hot to drink this one warm, so I might just go all in style and take it cold, like an ice coconut latte. I think that will be it for the next hour. And then I will plan the rest of the day. See you later, guys. And here we go with the spa at Anantara. They are very highly equipped with the best facilities in the world nowadays. And their signature massage is a magnesium massage. They have different kinds, scrubbing and facials, relaxations for a better sleep. So let's dive in and see what they can offer here today. Inside the spa, it's all candlelight, oud scent and hushed voices, a proper escape. After the massage, they bring you this tea in a chill corner with desert views. No talking, no noise, just peace. Hi guys, another wonderful morning with Lux Ventures. It's very early, nobody is out yet. And you can see this wonderful cabanas, infinity pool in the back, and the big dune behind me. And we are climbing that up now, before breakfast even. Stay tuned. Wow, what a place. Just in the middle of nowhere in the dunes. Just really, really great. So let's see if we can climb up to one or two. I decided to hike up the dune. Just me, the sand and the sunrise. And around me you see absolute nothing. Only dunes and complete stillness. Well, I didn't expect it to be that high, but we are almost there. The climb isn't easy. Soft sand, burning calves. But when you get to the top, it's just endless views and silence. One of those moments where time feels slower. You forget everything else. Alright guys, we are leaving home back to Dubai, and the final resume of this hotel, it was absolutely amazing. I would say that's one of the best Anantaras I've been to. Service was excellent. Director of the hotel was German like myself. The resort manager was Italian. Yeah, it was really, really good. Now I got a little snack from the hotel on the way. Driving 3.5 hours and directly into a meeting. That's called live. So I'm really looking forward to spend my next adventure together with you, which will be in 2 weeks. Until then, stay tuned and bye from Lux Ventures. If you are planning a trip to the UAE or just need an escape, I highly recommend adding Anantara Qasr Al Sarab to your list. You leave feeling rested, inspired, and honestly a little more connected to yourself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel moments. See you in the next one.